because you always look amazing.
She's not wrong. What's up, guys? Hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving. We are just out in our campground walking off the rest of our
Excessive
3-day turkey coma. But now that we're up and moving again, what do we do with the leftovers?
I mean, some believe the leftovers are the best part of Thanksgiving.
I tend to be one of those. So I think we're gonna use the leftovers and make a slammin' sandwich.
Oh,
What do you think?
I'm super excited.
All right, let's go fire up the Blackstone. Welcome back to Destination Delicious, guys. We are in Eastern Tennessee at Pigeon Forge RV Resort.
There's so much to do in this area. It's our first time visiting this place. And then at the campground here too, we haven't really left. We've loved it so much. There's a heated pool, there's a slide, there's a big fire ring, the dog park. Like, yeah, we're just like relaxing.
There's tons to do. So today we're gonna make for you an open-faced Thanksgiving sandwich. We're clearing out the fridge and we're using all the stuff. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get our gravy warmed up.
You know us, nice and easy.
We actually have an extra jar of gravy. Do you want to slice the turkey?
Sure.
We've got several turkey breasts that we cooked actually over the campfire the other night. While you're doing that, I'm gonna get some butter down because we're also gonna make a crispy mashed potato pancake. This is basically a reheat everything and stack it high.
I don't know how high my mouth is.
It's an open-faced sandwich, so you eat it with a fork and knife. No, you eat an open-faced sandwich. Stay tuned, because that's going to be awesome. Check our gravy, make sure it's heating up good. The gravy's good and hot. Someone turn that burner down a little bit to low. I'm going to move the potato cakes around to make some more room on the griddle, and then I'm going to put some more butter down to
get the stuffing going.
Warm up our stuffing.
All right, turkey time?
Turkey time.
We did chicken breast this year because last year we made a full turkey and it was absolutely delicious, but it was...
did turkey breast.
Oh, last year we did turkey breast?
Nope.
That's what I just said.
You said chicken breast.
Oh.
Run the tape back.
We did chicken breast this year. This year we did turkey breast because last year we did a full turkey and it was delicious, but we had leftovers for days and days and days. And since it's just the three of us, we opted to do the turkey breast this time. This is the first time we've made these open-faced Thanksgiving sandwiches.
Yeah.
And they're smelling so good. I think they're gonna taste amazing.
I'm gonna stack the turkey and then make some room for toast.
Great.
Texas toast. It's gonna be the foundation of our open-faced sandwich. It's thick, it's hearty.
It's what we had.
It's got...
Love it. Couldn't get any easier. Buttered garlic.
Buttered garlic, all ready to go.
Right out of the bag.
We're just gonna throw it right on the griddle. I'm gonna crank that heat up just a little bit. Cranberry sauce is one of those things that I always saw on the Thanksgiving table, but typically tried to avoid because I wasn't quite sure really what it was for. But as I thought about building this sandwich, it's savory bread, savory turkey, savory stuffing, savory gravy. Need a little hint of sweet in there. Enter the cranberry sauce. All right, first goes the toast. Slice of turkey, helping of stuffing. We'll go ahead and throw a potato cake on the side. Cranberry jelly. And last but not least, some gravy. And I'm gonna throw a little gravy on the potato as well. When I cooked the turkey, I seasoned it with Blackstone's chicken and herb seasoning. I'm gonna throw just a little bit of that on top.
As per usual, we like a few different items, and I'm not a gravy fan. So I'm going to make my own sandwich without the gravy. And also, I guess you're gonna try to fork and knife it, and I'm gonna try.
Yes. All right, time to eat. So you're gonna go.
I'm going in.
Just big mouth it in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'll do.
That'll do, donkey. Oh yeah.
Like,
That's
incredible.
fantastic. It's really good. And I will say the cranberry, it's like that little touch of sweet in a giant pool of savory. And it's the perfect touch.
It's really delicious. I didn't try my potato pancake. Almost has like the hash brown
Yeah.
flavor and
Little crispy edges.
yeah, I love that.
That's really good.
Wow, well done. Our first Thanksgiving, open-faced Thanksgiving sandwich. Absolutely awesome.
I think Nick might even say that we elevated our leftovers.
Touche.
This is really
Yeah.
good. Guys, tap into everything Blackstone. BlackstoneProducts.com, YouTube channel.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. This is fantastic.
Yeah, we're like so hungry and it's delicious. We're like...
But we're very happy that you joined us today. We hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving and got to spend great time with your friends and family. And until next time, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.